Everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our brand new 2027 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. This is the ultimate luxury series by Sea Ray, and we have a fantastic layout aboard this boat we're going to show you today. On back, we are powered by the twin Mercury 250 V8s in white. This gives you over a 53 mile an hour top end speed. Great long range. You get about a 200 mile range on this boat with a 130 gallon fuel tank. So plenty of power, plenty of fuel capacity to make your fun long range trips, and a fantastic boat to entertain while you're going on those trips. On the back, it's full length swim transom and swim platform. We have this in sea deck throughout. This is in gray to match our stone gray interior and beautifully appointed. Right under me is swim ladder, but very hidden and nicely pointed. Look at the design on the sea deck too. It's not just your standard sea deck, and that design will flow with the stitching in the interior and throughout the rest of the boat. As we come through, we have a nice walk-through path into the cockpit area. Wanted to note the shower. We've got a nice freshwater shower with a 35 gallon holding tank and then battery charger. Beautiful sun lounge. This is going to give you access to a cooler under there as well, so you don't have to crawl all the way through the boat. You get back on to get drinks, phone chargers, secondary fusion station for controlling your music on board. And then as you come in, you're going to take a little step down into absolutely gorgeous cockpit seating area. Beautiful wraparound L-shaped lounge on the port side, followed by even more seating on the starboard side. Have a nice little console upgrade that has storage underneath, and then a pull-out fridge. This will be enabling you to put all your drinks and keep everything cool and not have to bring ice aboard the boat. And then tons of storage underneath these seats. We're going to flip around right here so I can show you all the storage. That is one thing that's really nice to note aboard up here. So this is a bilge caddy. So this will be able to be taken out to get to your bilges and batteries down below, but then very organized. This is our bow and cockpit cover that's stored nicely in there. And then you have a table and a mount that will go in here to give you a beautiful teak table, and then more storage, really nice deep storage underneath of all your cushions. That in there was a bow shade, which I'll show you in a little bit of how that looks. One of the nice notable features of the 280 SLX Outboard is our sports tower. This is an electric sports tower that will not only lower down to get you under bridge clearance and storage, but it's going to actuate to lay down perfectly flat. So that's a really nice feature that not a lot of electric sports towers do under 30-foot class. Also in this tower, we have a retractable shade. So this will be on a slide track that'll come out, and that will keep everybody shaded while you're anchored up and on the sun lounge, and then can give you great protection. Ski tow knob will be underneath here, so you'll have ability to do wakeboarding and skiing behind the boat. And then just the little details and appointments on here. Sea Ray has a beautiful digital logo that'll shine down at night, as well as multicolored display for underwater lights, for interior lights. You can change it to any color on the spectrum. So a fantastic job, again, with attention to detail. As we come forward to the helm, you have a double wide helm seat. Very nice appointed axis with your stainless steel cap on your windshield, just beautiful curves around. Good high windshield to where you are protected when you're sitting down. And then when you have the bolster up, you're able to get that great visibility and wind in your hair when you're ready to enjoy the water. We have the twin Simrad 12-inch GPS chart plotters, and this is in the black acrylic dash. We have phone chargers that are hidden underneath your dash applicant there, and then joystick, which is keeping us in place right now, no matter what the wind current and tide are doing, with skyhook. And then you have autopilot and auto heading all built into that feature, and exceptional docking power with those engines independently operating. Coming around to the port side, we have another very, very comfortable individual sports seat. Both of these seats can flip all the way around, which is nice, so you can have even more entertaining features with everybody back here when you want, and then can flip around for your forward driving. On the port side as well, Very nice appointed head area, vacuum flush head. This goes with a holding tank, and then you have a sink, and it can be a nice changing room too when you're getting ready to go to dinner for the evening. Coming forward, full windshield will come over, as well as windscreen, and then you have more storage underneath, or trash can storage here, and then you'll have storage that'll come up from the seat to give you a garage style storage opening in your lounge up in the bow. Speaking of the bow, very deep seating up here, nicely appointed to be able to sit in any position, and beautiful leather wrapped, again, on the accents and the details on the boat, with your handles are all leather wrapped, LED lights in the cup holders, armrests. It's very well appointed, and then access to your windlass anchor. You'll have a remote that you can control from the bow, as well as the helm controls, and then a freshwater sprayer to clean everything off when you're done for the day. So absolutely beautiful boat. 9-foot beam makes this boat very stable, really wide, and then you're at a 30, almost a 32 length overall. Gives you a fantastic layout for entertaining, yacht certified, so you can put as many people as life jackets on board the boat, and then very easy boat to get back into the shallow sandbars as well with an under 2-foot draft. So again, this is our 2027 Sea Ray 280 SLX outboard. My name is Chris Honig, and I would love to get you out in the water soon. Give me a call at 910-256-8100, and hope you'll have a great week.